Hello students, Namaste. I am JVN Dr. Brajraj Singh Chauhan, Associate Professor in Department of Faculty of Education and Methodology. Program name MSc Mathematics second semester. Course name Numerical Computation and session name Probability and Probability Distribution. In daily life, we use word having similar meaning as word probability. For instance, there is a possibility of rain today. Perhaps I may pass exam in this year, etc. All these type of sentence suggest uncertainty. The mathematical measures of this uncertainty is called probability. So we can say probability is nothing but it is numerical value of happening of an event. Terminology in this regard, first of all, number one, random experiment. Experiment in which the outcomes may not be predicted beforehand are known as the random experiment. Next one, sample space. The set of all possible outcomes of an experiment is called the sample space. This is usually denoted by the set S. For example, we can say suppose we have a coin and toss the coin, we get two possible things, either it may head or tail. The set S having two elements, head and tail. This is the sample space. Again, suppose we have a dice. Whenever we toss the dice, we will get either 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or 6. These 6 elements, the set of all these 6 elements is called the sample space. Next one, sample points. The element of the set responding a sample space are called the sample points. Suppose we have tossed the dice and event having point 2, then occurrence of point 2 is called the sample point. Similarly, we have tossed the dice and getting 5. So occurrence the event getting 5 is a sample point. Next one, events. A subset of sample space is called an event. In other words, every subset A of the sample space S is an event of the random experiment. Since the empty set phi subset of S and S also subset of S, so that phi and S is itself the event. That is impossible event and sure event. Phi is impossible event and S is the sure event. Next one, simple event. If the sample space S of an event contains only one sample point, then such an event is called a simple or elementary event. Next one, composite event. If the sample space S of an event contains more than one sample point, then such type of event is called the composite event. Next one, independent event. Here there exist two events. Two events are called independent if occurrence of one does not affect occurrence of others. Suppose we have a pack of we have a